Does your child find it difficult to read a long story and understand it properly? It gets even more difficult when there is a time limit, right? So, how could you find a solution to this? In this video, we will discuss and practice two techniques, skimming and scanning, that will help young learners to read fast and comprehend better. What is skimming? Skimming is fast reading to get a general idea of the text. It helps the readers grasp the gist of a story or an essay. Let me give you a simple example. When we spend endless hours on the social media news feed or on a particular page or account, what are we basically doing? We are skimming through these spaces to get an idea of the events around us. While buying books to read or choosing short stories to begin with, we often run our eyes over the pages to draw the basic idea and reach to a conclusion. Now, how to use this habit of skimming in comprehension? Here are 5 strategies. Look for keywords in the text and mark them. Try to make connections amongst these points in your mind. Read the opening lines and closing lines to capture and understand the essence. Skip the detailed descriptions. Mark out the dates, name of places, and names of characters. Let us try and skim through the passage and note down the important points. Drinking a healthy amount of water is vital to our health. We can never imagine how, just by increasing our water intake, we can gain tremendous health benefits and sometimes even let go of our migraine medicines or painkillers. It reduces the risk of heart attacks. Hydration is essential to prevent clogging of arteries in the heart. It flushes out toxins and reduces chances of diseases and infections. What do we get from this? Drinking water is important for our health. It can reduce our dependence on medicines, saves our medical bills and organs. What is scanning? Let us begin with a simple example. When you visit the restaurant with a craving for pizza, don't your eyes glance over the menu and immediately mark out the pizza section almost in no time? This is what scanning is. But how will you use this in your comprehension class? Here are 2 strategies you can use in the class. Find the word race is an exciting way to scan a story. Give out the keyword or the theme you want the children to dive into and ask them to find it in the passage. Make objective questions like looking for a synonym and antonym of certain words that are in the passage. Let us try with the following passage on friendship. Keep in mind that you have to identify all words denoting emotions that have been used in this passage. A true friend is one who will never leave you during your hardships, successes, or failures. We can choose our friends. Real friends always share and support each other. Feel joyful when we are happy, and during difficult times, they also share our sorrow. True friendship is all about sharing things, making mistakes, fighting over silly reasons, and yet staying strong and supporting each other. Both skimming and scanning can reduce time and facilitate a child's understanding. While skimming tells you what general information is given within a section, scanning helps you locate a particular fact. If you like this video, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. We will keep coming up with more interesting videos. Stay tuned. Until then, happy reading.